It is a deciduous tree of the Bignoniaceae family. Its origin is distributed from northwest Mexico to northwest Argentina. It blooms in spring. When it blooms, there are more flowers and fewer leaves. The dense flowers dye the entire crown purple red, which is an unforgettable scene. The native habitat of the purple-flowered tabebuia is seasonal dry deciduous or semi-deciduous forest, so this species has a strong drought resistance. When it blooms, you may wish to pay attention to the changes in the color of its flower throat. At first it is bright yellow, prompting nectar-collecting insects that this flower has nectar. Later it turns purple red, which is similar to the color of the corolla, telling insects that there is no nectar. This color spot is called a nectar source mark in biology. It leads nectar collectors to the location where nectar is secreted, and at the same time allows nectar collectors to take pollen from that flower to another flower to complete the pollination process. It is one of the plant's reproductive strategies. Deciduous tree. Height, up to 30 meters. Stem, the bark of the main trunk is gray, nearly smooth, and slightly lobed. Leaves, palmate compound leaves. There are 5 to 7 leaflets, ovate to elliptical, with irregular serrations on the upper edge. Membranous to hard papery, with scales on both sides, and hairs in the axils of the lateral veins at the bottom of the leaf. The central leaflet is larger, and the lateral leaflets gradually become smaller, with small petioles and a palm-like outline. The leaves fall in winter, and new leaves grow after flowering in spring. Petals are fused, tubular to funnel-shaped, 5-lobed, with wrinkled edges, and covered with short soft hairs on the outside. The corolla is purple-red, with yellow throat at the beginning of opening, and then turns orange to purple-red. The calyx is cup-shaped, truncate or with 5 teeth, purple-red, and densely pubescent.